everyone, welcome back to the channel. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. This time we are at Busch Gardens and we are going on
Congo River Rapids.
Congo River Rapids. So we'll compare this to other white water rapid rides we've been on. Mystic River Falls. There have been several on the channel, so I think that's probably my favorite, but is that your favorite too?
I think so, yeah, at the moment.
It's a close call. They had a really nice one at SeaWorld. There's others, so we'll let you know what we think at the end, see how this compares. I've not looked at anything online about this, so it's going to be a first ride for me. We'll bring you along either point of view, or I'll strap the GoPro on my wrist. They let you do that here as long as you have it strapped in and show them your equipment on the way in, which we did. So that's a good thing they can do. But without any further ado, join us for the ride, and we'll see you on the falls. Alligator, Congo River Rapids, huh? Okay, so they've got some really nice theming over here, and they even have a little Komodo dragon. So if you want to see the Komodo dragon, it's right there in the glass. And I've never seen that before in a ride queue, so that's really awesome. I wanted to show you that. Okay, we're going to be in line, and we'll see you on the ride. All right, Congo River Rapids.
And slide around to the farthest available seat. When seated, please fasten your safety belt and tug on it to ensure it is properly secured. Please keep all hands, arms, and legs inside your bag, and remain seated with your safety belt fastened at all times.
Me and you, my man.
Hey, girl, let's go.
Please brace yourself for sudden impacts and movements. Now, check your safety belt and enjoy your ride on the Congo River Rapids.
I'd say we got a good chance of getting wet because I'm 200 pounds and I'm betting you're about there yourself. So. We're probably gonna dip down. Oh, and perfect. Really light on the other side, huh? Oh, we're gonna get dipped. All good. All good. This should be interesting. It's hot enough. I'm already dry from the last water ride, pretty much.
Just a little bit on my shirt.
Yeah. Let's see how we go. All right. Prepare for lunch. Probably be about another minute or so. But what do you think the temperature actually is? Like
the real deal?
Like 95, 90?
I'd say, yeah.
It's pretty warm. All right. Feels like steamy. They must time the boats. They give them like 30 seconds or so and then launch, and then see how they do. So there goes that ship. Oh, it's got two little toggle switches that like tells when the boat makes contact. And then I think that's what engages the brakes right there when you hit those. Yep, it says warning, remain seated upright. Are you tightened in? Because you might get thrown on this one. You better tighten up. Tighten way up, Becky. The sidewall hits on this type of ship's going to be pretty good.
Yeah.
Big open air ship. I'd say just about any second. Yeah. I got the swim shoes on. Crocs aren't a bad idea either, really. Okay, I'd say we're getting ready to go. Oh no, they're launching over there. Oh boy. Might be in for a little bit of a wait because they got two lanes going.
Yeah.
Alright, well we gotta be up next. What's the green coaster? Kumba in the background? That Kumba? We got on it yesterday. I think there are people on it. No, I think they're running. Nice. It's back up and going. I bet the park is just packed right now. It's Friday. Very hot day. And we should be going. So, boy, you can get your tan in the... Oh, here we go. Off to the races. All right. So here we are on the Congo River. And we're about to experience some rapids, I think. Congo River Rapids. Okay, should be picking up a little steam. And they try to hold on. Let's see how we go. It's a slow start, but it picks up. It's gonna pick right up, I got a feeling. A lot of plants. It says that there's a village ahead. We've got a village ahead. Oh boy, it's gonna be us. Oh, it was mild.
A little bit.
Oh, they got it. Here comes the rapids.
Oh my God!
Oh, big splash there. We're picking up a little speed. Nope.
That was good.
The left pocket every time.
Everything. There you go. My whole back.
Oh, left side soaked already. All right. That was a good little dip there.
Oh, yeah.
What happens? So it drops you down a few feet?
Yeah.
Interesting.
It could be here again.
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
Here we go.
water time.
They're getting it pretty good on that side. Now it's just the rocking and rolling. Do a little spinaroo.
Yep.
Is this
little
where-
spinny, little spinny.
Might bounce off this wall. We'll
Yep.
see.
Oh, yes.
Oh, it didn't even hit.
Barely touched.
Didn't even hit. Oh, there's
there
one.
it is.
And here comes the waterfall. Oh, yes. Oh, you might get it here, Becky.
Oh, boy.
You might get it.
Oh, no. Oh!
Side, yeah. Oh. One more waterfall.
Oh, there's the
And we got some jets coming up here.
Oh.
It's luck of the draw on the jets. We'll see. Oh, we might get stopped. I don't know if we're going left or right. Oh no. Let's see who it is. No, I don't know. We're like almost at a dead stop here. It's gonna take us to the other. I think we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Oh. Oh, in the hit. Oh, down the right side. That jet got me right at the end. Not totally blasted. He looks like he took the full shot. So. All right. That didn't have such a big of a hit as I thought it was going to have, but a little bit. A couple of bounces there. All right, so that's good. That are the rapids, and we'll see and let you know what we think when we get outside. All right. All right, Congo River Rapids. I had a great ride on that. We had a good boat full of people. Just rocked and rolled. Really, I think the wettest you get on that is that hose at the end. It's got that jet. If you get caught in that, you just get blasted down the side. Honestly, I was looking for a dry spot to wipe the camera off. Couldn't find one, so I'm pretty wet after 2 water rides back to back right there. So really, we got a beautiful day for it. Nice and hot, sunny here in Busch Gardens. And I gotta say, the scenery, they really do a great job with the plants here. I mean, it's just like no other park with the plant and botany that you'll see.
Yeah.
You see a little bit of everything. They've got a lot of nice animals and 2 really good water rides. So I had a nice ride on that. I'm not going to rank it like top 2 or 3 just because it doesn't have that lift elevator. So if you're watching Busch Gardens and you want to put in a little new section, do that lift elevator up for another lift hill or another splashdown. Just extend it a little bit.
A little more speed in some parts too, something like that.
Yeah, and really it'd be awesome if like they could go like through where the animals are or something. You really feel like you're in the Congo, you know, have like a little scene with the animals in there. Maybe incorporate it. Maybe that's too tough to do, but I don't know. That would be our recommendation if you want to get it like
some type of enclosure around it.
Yeah, something.
Tunnel.
Maybe a tunnel. Well, they did kind of have the one tunnel, which was nice. And the little waterfall element. But you might as well hit us with that waterfall. Put another waterfall right there. You think you're not going to get hit, then boom, right, get a splashdown. Yeah. But we're just talking technical. In case you want to get up there with Mystic River Falls and some of those, top 2 and top 3 whitewater raft rides, because we've been on quite a few. And if you like this video, check out the playlist. You might find those other water rides out there. We have a great time on them, and always love doing these for everybody. So big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we'll see you soon. on the next ride. Bye, everybody.